Today I want to tell you about one of the best website where you can sell your products on Amazon. You can start work with Amazon with the help of this site. Watch the video till the end for the whole information. Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel Ajay Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online, and I can share information regarding the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. So if you interested, please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. Watch the tutorial till the end. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, link in the description box. Subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end for the whole information. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What exactly is Sellics? The leading all-in-one software dedicated to assisting you in your Amazon success. Boost organic traffic, automate PPC campaigns, track profits, and do a lot more. Sellics is an all-in-one Amazon FBA management solution that includes tools and features for managing, review management, product and keyword research, competitor analysis, inventory, stock control. If you start selling in Amazon, and start with Sellics, link in the description box. What is the price of Sellics? The Sellics pricing model begins at $57 per feature, per month. There is no free version available. Sellics provides a free trial period. What is the best way for me to sell my apps on Amazon? Fill in the following information about your company. You must enter your store name in order to sell software on Amazon.in. Then you must choose the mobiles and computers group. The next move is to fill in your contact information. As an Amazon seller, you have the choice of shipping your orders in a variety of ways. How do I deactivate my Sellics account? You have the option to deactivate your account at any time. Simply go to the account management section and press the terminate button next to your current plan. If you don't see the icon, please contact the customer service department. Is it possible to use the Sellics trial? Yes, you will try out all of the features of this app for 14 days before the trial expires. To begin using the trial, you must first register on the website. You have 3 options for getting started. 1. Sellers. 2. The vendors. 3. Agencies. Specifications. 1. Analytics that are up to date. Amazon, like us, is always changing. We're always working on new features to help you make smarter, data-driven choices so you can thrive on Amazon. 2. Privacy and protection. We place a high value on the protection and privacy of your personal information. We understand the weight of responsibility that comes with handling your results, and we make every effort to reach the highest standards. 3. Professional assistance. Our Amazon experts are prepared to assist you with any problems that arise. You can reach out to us via chat or email. I hope you all really like this video. This site work on globally. Here are the list of countries: North America, United States, Canada, Mexico, Europe, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Asia, India. Subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Smash the bell icon for more updates. Do not forget to share the video. Stay happy. Good luck.